right, welcome back. JP Morgan went and did it. Okay, they named Shake Shack a top short idea into year end.
Well,
I mean, they say we see high absolute menu prices and are cautious around broadening away from top-tier ingredient suppliers, lower than guidance TAM to balance high price points with future customer breadth frequency. Now, Shake Shack did get downgraded earlier in the week by B of A to underperform. They cut the price to 86 from 148. The stock's moving higher, I think, because someone's expecting you to say something positive and defend one of your favorite names.
So I don't defend stocks. They might end up being right in the short term. I'm a long-term investor here, and this is not the first time people have downgraded Shake Shack because I'm in the name for almost 11 years since they came public. The thing I would point out here is nothing they're saying is new to the market. The stock is in a 28% drawdown already. So it looks like they want to press their bet. They actually said short the stock in July, and it ended up being a really good call. The question is that still as good a call from 148 as it is here where the shares trade today? I'd point out what they're saying is actually true. The consumer is being pressured right now, and you're not just seeing that at Shake Shack. Kava is struggling. Sweetgreen is struggling. Chipotle looks terrible. So this is a sector-wide phenomenon. This type of thing does come and go if you're a long-term investor in the QSR space or the premium casual, whatever they call it these days. This is just something that you're going to live through. What happens, though, is that eventually they price too much of that in, and then these companies start to surprise to the upside. The other questions they're raising are about Shack's expansion plans. The new CEO wants to go to 1,500 units. There's some questions about whether or not that will lead to cannibalization, which I think is absurd given the size of the world. I think 1,500 Shacks will be okay. So I don't disagree short term that there is consumer spending concern. I do disagree with the idea of getting short a stock that's already in a 30% drawdown where enough people already are worried about it that they could have upside surprises.
I thought your tummy was going to rumble a little bit more on this call. You handled that well.
Well, I'm not here to defend anybody. I'm an investor. Look, if they knock this thing down into the 70s or 80s, I just buy more. I've done it every time.
All right.